From Siemens, I would like to introduce our new Somatome Perspective 128 slice CT scanner to you. This is a brand new product which has just been launched. As you can see, even the patient's heart rate is nicely displayed in this ECG monitor which you are seeing right here. And all the controls for the system are here, as you can see here. And this is the gantry. As you can see, it's a very open system, and you're able to nicely scan the patient. If you're doing any interventions, you're just within the scan plane, and so there is no parallax error when you do your interventions. So it's an excellent system which is very compact, 128 slice, and just so compact. And you have the same controls on both sides of the scanner. And this has something very new, which is for the patient's comfort. You have the table here. The table can go down to 17 inches. So at 17 inches, transferring the patient is very easy. This is the latest from the house of Siemens in the CT scanner range. Several additional features on the system which are designed to help the patient be more comfortable. And I would like to take your attention to the side of the system here. As you can see, this is a mood light. What you see here is a mood light, and this light can change colors on the comfort of the patient. So this helps to relax the patient before the scan. So this is the first CT scanner in the world and the only CT scanner in the world with the mood lighting, as you can see here. This scanner is known for its ability to reduce the dose. We follow a principle called IRIA. We focus on getting down the radiation dose to as low as reasonably achievable with this new Somatome Perspective CT scanner. So the Somatome Perspective 128 slice CT scanner is a low dose scanner, and it comes with the latest technology from Siemens. We should have the first machines out of the factory from the Q3. I'm proud to present to you the latest X-ray machine from the house of Siemens, which is manufactured here in India at Goa. So as you can see, this X-ray machine on my right is a system which is based on the high frequency technology. So this system can be used throughout the country in large cities, small cities, for all your routine X-ray applications. The exciting thing about this X-ray is not only it is high frequency, which ensures that it has lowest dose, it is powered by a solar panel and a solar power source. So what we are going to do is we are going to use this panel which will be acquiring the energy through solar power and store this energy, and then you can use that to do your X-rays. So this is a new technology altogether in terms of from healthcare perspective, because it is totally green. You are using solar energy to power your X-rays, and we are the first company in India to have this new technology, and it is completely designed and manufactured by our team at the factory in Goa. So the system is undergoing the trials and will soon be out with the due approvals.
I'm Mayuri Joshi. I'm a clinical application specialist in Siemens. We are displaying S2000 machine, which is a high-end machine from Siemens. There are two key messages. What we are demonstrating on this machine is you can perform anomaly scans with the linear probe. Second one is you can do live lever elastography, which is automated. It's not at all user dependent. We have a technology called RFI, ARFI, stands for caustic radiation force impulse. We do have some normal values for normal lever, that is 1 to 1.5 meter per second is normal. So technology, as I said, it's not at all user dependent. So what we normally do, we select a cursor there and press one button, and you get a shear wave velocities on the screen. So it's an automatic push pulse which travels into the tissue and disturbs tissue and generates the shear wave, which is displayed on the monitor. So there are values from where we can differentiate between a normal lever, early fibrosis, and a frank cirrhosis lever.
My name is Rajiv. I'm a CT application from Siemens. I welcome all of you. This is the new software that has been developed by Siemens, which does all the post-processing and convert into pre-processing and help the radiologist to do the fast reporting and and makes the films ready by the technicians. Now here you see there is a brain study has been done. You can see, just double click on the image, it's ready for you. You can rotate them in any angle. You can see even the other planes as well. Not only this, suppose you have an aneurysm or pathology, you can click just with a single button, you can click on it, it will focus that area and give you that particular artery. You can rotate it and see it in a different manner. And then with that you can even evaluate the percentage of stenosis which is there into the artery. The artery is labeled automatically, you can rotate it. You just click on the area where there is a stenosis. It will give you the percentage of stenosis and the length of the stenosis, which is possible only with the Siemens. Now, not only this, you can even scroll down. You can scroll the images. You can change them into different planes, the slice thickness. You can scroll them. If you want, you can change the orientation as well. You can save this image. The image will be stored in your snapshots. You can just double click, you can store them. Now later you can right click and you can export them to different places, maybe for the filming, maybe for the CD, or to the network nodes. So it's much easier for the doctor to, to send the images to the different places and to record them. Now not only this, another feature that you get along with this, the MM reading. The moment you click on the MM reading, all the images which are saved, the key images are saved, it will be available. You can select them and then you can push them to the print. It's very easy for you. Now you see all the images has been come to the printing format. You can just select the format you want. It will be available. Plus on the MM reading, you have results column where you can see all the images which are ready for you. So this makes the works very simpler and easy for you. Then you can complete the study. Thank you very much.